Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can unread any Instagram message. So if you want to unread any Instagram message, like I will show you my Instagram chats first. Here you can see that in this chat I have read these messages right here. So you can undo this or you may unread them, but the first thing you need to keep in your mind that you need to have a professional Instagram account. So, an professional account is actually really necessary if you want to perform this action. If you don't know how to enable a professional account, then you may follow up on our channel and you will find those videos as well. So, once you have your professional account ready, you need to go back to your chat and then you need to hold on to that particular chat to that you want to unread. So for example, I'll hold on to this chat and here you can see this option which says mark as unread. Simply click on this mark as unread button and here you can see that this chat has been successfully marked unread. So as you can see that this has successfully worked out for us. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.